Afternoon, everyone. I'm Jonathan Wanda, and I'm coming from Bali. Yeah, the greatest Eastern tribe amongst East Africa. I'm a BAGISU, and that's where my dad comes from. And actually, yeah, I come from Bali, but then again, I cross over to Sri Lanka. Bali is a nice place to stay, and it says that the BAGISU people are the Uganda most fearsome Bachelor tribe and culture unique circumcision ceremony. BAGISU are also known as the LUMASABA people who live on the slopes of Mountain Elgon in Bali. So when you go to Bali, BAGISU stay or they live via the slopes of Mountain Elgon. That's where I stay, and my place is more cold, a cold boarding chilling cold. So a person of BAGISU and everything associated with BAGISU include the culture, the traditional values, and the property are known as the Kigisu, such as the person speaking, speaks Kigisu, the music is called Kigisu, and the dance or culture. And the originality of BAGISU tribe is believed that they came from eastern part of Ethiopia, and they mixed up with the people of Maasai in Kenya, giving birth to the BAGISU tribe. But also some cultures, like some clans in our culture believe that it was the first Mogis was Mundu and Sarah. They're the one that gave birth to the BAGISU tribe. Yeah, our tribe is really beautiful and it's awesome. It is comprised with the dancers. You people have seen the guy was called, one of the candidates who are contesting to become the good president of UC was called one number, Joshua. And you saw those people dancing. Dancing that dance. That's how we dress up. That's how I dressed when I was going for circumcision. I remember sometimes back when I was still a toddler. So yeah, and there's the Imbalukau circumcision ritual among the BAGISU aim at strengthening the culture continuity by enhancing the passing over the cultural responsibility and ideologies from the old generation to the young ones. When you stand in for circumcision, when you go dancing around, running kilometers, when they're going to circumcise you, it shows that you're a man. Another point says that BAGISU speak the Lugisu. Yeah, I speak it. So when you're greeting, you say Mulembe, and the person who say Gasila. Yeah, that's how we greet in my culture. And our staple food, it's malewa. It's really prepared by only ladies. If a man prepares it, it's not allowed to be eaten. So only ladies prepare that meal. About our economy, we're based in agriculture. We grow coffee. Those people who stay 50,000 feet above the sea level, Mountain Elgon, they grow coffee, Arabica coffee, and there is a union called, it's called the BAGISU Cooperative Union. It sells coffee around East Africa, and it's one of the leading selling union coffee in East Africa. And bananas are also grown, but no bananas sugar. They're also grown, but they're not grown on a large scale, on small scale. Yeah, they also sell coffee around Uganda. I've talked about that. The culture, dance, and the rituals include kadodi. They attract people from different parts of Uganda. As I told you, Joshua used it. Even you see in different ceremonies, on weddings, people dance the culture. Actually, I would have danced, but I'm in my art. I needed to be putting on. Maybe that's all about my culture. Thank you.